Dear students, in this video we prove that y sin 0 degree is equal to 0, cos 0 degree is equal to 1 and tangent 0 degree is equal to 0. For this we take a right angle triangle. And right angle triangle ABC. This is angle theta. Opposite side to angle theta is called opposite side. Adjacent side of the triangle angle theta is called adjacent side, and this side, the longest side of the right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. From trigonometric ratio, we know that sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. First, we prove that how sin 0 degree is equal to 0. So as theta, it means that theta will be equal to 0. As theta decreases, as theta gradually decreases, the opposite side will also be decreases. As theta tend to 0, we decrease gradually angle theta, and finally we reach to theta is equal to 0 degree. When we decrease angle theta up to this point, the perpendicular, the opposite side decreases from BC to BC1. Further we decrease angle theta, the perpendicular side will decrease from BC1 to BC2. Further we decrease angle theta, the perpendicular side will decrease from BC2 to BC3. And when angle theta becomes equal to 0, then this opposite side will be equal to 0. It means that as theta tend to 0, opposite side will be equal to 0. If theta is equal to 0, opposite side will be equal to 0. Put these values in sin theta. So sin 0 is equal to opposite side is equal to 0 divided by hypotenuse. Sin 0 is equal to 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. So we prove that sin 0 degree is equal to 0. Now we will prove that y cos 0 degree is equal to 1. We will prove that how cos 0 degree is equal to 1. By the same way we prove cos 0 is equal to 1. Again we take right angle triangle ABC. This is angle theta. This is adjacent side. This is opposite side. Or this is hypotenuse. From trigonometric ratio, we know that cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. As theta tend to 0, and this triangle we decreases theta from theta to theta 1, the hypotenuse will be decreased from AC to AC1. Further we decrease angle theta, the hypotenuse will be equal to AC2, decreases from AC1 to AC2. Further we decrease angle theta, the hypotenuse will be decreased from AC2 to AC3. Finally, if angle theta become equal to 0, at this point adjacent side and hypotenuse will be equal. When theta tend to 0, then adjacent side will be equal to hypotenuse. It means that when we put cos 0, which is equal to adjacent side is AB, and as adjacent side and AB are equal, so hypotenuse will also be equal to AB. So cos 0 is equal to 1. So we prove that cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Now we will prove that tangent 0 degree is equal to 0. As we know that tangent theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Put theta is equal to 0. So tangent 0 degree is equal to sin 0 degree divided by cos 0 degree. So tangent 0 degree is equal to sin 0 degree is equal to 0 and cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So tangent 0 degree is equal to 0 by 1, which is equal to 0. Hence we proved that sin 0 degree is equal to 0, cos 0 degree is equal to 1 and tangent 0 degree is equal to 0. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.